So you may be wondering why you can't send messages on Instagram. I'm going to walk you through a few different steps to definitely get that fixed. The first thing that we'll want to do is just open up Safari or Chrome, and you can see here I've searched for speed test. So we're going to run a quick speed test on Google and make sure that our internet is fast enough to be able to send those messages. So check and see that your internet is faster than, say, 5 megabytes per second, and that should be good to go. If it's not, you can always switch from Wi-Fi over to cell data or vice versa. Now, the second thing that we'll want to do is we will want to just type in "is Instagram down," because you want to make sure that it's not their servers that's causing you to not be able to send any messages. So let's head into down. Detector is a good option. And you can see here there was a reported outage a while ago, but currently it doesn't seem like there is a big spike, so there's not really any reason why messages shouldn't be sent right now. If you do see a really big spike, then most likely that's the reason. You just gotta wait until Instagram servers are back up and running. Now, if you go through both of those steps and your Instagram messages are still not sending, we can hop out of here and open up our settings, and then we will tap on General, and then iPhone storage. Now we'll wait till the list populates and we can find Instagram on this, and then we're just gonna offload the app. What this does is it force updates Instagram and reinstall it. Force updates Instagram to the latest version, but it doesn't get rid of any of your drafts, your DMs, all of that stuff. It just helps to remove any kind of bugs within the Instagram app itself. So once that is done reinstalling, we can open up Instagram, head into our messages, and you should be able to send and receive any kind of messages. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.